10 years ago, a cyclone wiped out most of Rangiroa's coral. But storms are natural events, and coral reefs do recover from them, as long as human impacts don't interfere. Here the corals seem small but healthy.
Right away, we saw two male parrotfish fighting over territory. This was a sign of a large and thriving fish population. But why haven't we seen the huge schools of gray reef sharks Rangiroa is so famous for? Their absence is not necessarily a danger sign for corals, but it could signal an imbalance in the whole reef ecosystem. So finding the sharks became our main goal.